In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails in MailerLite quickly and effectively. Whether you're new to MailerLite or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process, turning what might seem daunting into a breeze. First things first, open your preferred web browser and search for MailerLite. Once you get there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll need to do that first before proceeding. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on the Campaigns tab. This is where you will be managing all your email campaigns. Now, to start a brand new email campaign, look for and click the Create button, or it might appear as Create New. This will open up an array of options for sending out those emails. Now, you'll want to decide on the type of campaign you wish to send. For most standard email communications, you'll select Regular Campaign. This choice gives you the flexibility and simplicity ideal for most needs. After selecting your campaign type, you'll need to enter some crucial details about your campaign. This includes a campaign name, which will help you easily identify it later, a subject line that grabs attention, and the sender details. Don't forget the pre-header, that little preview text that can intrigue your audience further. And, of course, determine your recipients and tracking preferences. Next, it's time to design your email. MailerLite provides a few different ways to do this, depending on your plan and preference. If you're someone who likes hands-on, intuitive design, you might opt for the drag-and-drop editor. For those who prefer more straightforward emails, the rich text editor offers a clean and simple interface. And if you have custom needs, the custom HTML editor might suit you well, though this is typically available on the paid plans. When using the drag-and-drop editor, you can easily incorporate various content blocks to add text, images, and buttons. Alternatively, MailerLite offers templates that make designing quick and easy while still allowing a professional finish. To enhance your emails with a personalized touch, consider adding variables like the subscriber's name. This makes the message feel more direct and personalized, increasing engagement. Once your design feels just right, click Done Editing to save your work and move on to the review phase. Here, triple-check everything to ensure your email is exactly how you envisioned. All that's left is to hit the Send button to distribute your campaign to your carefully selected recipients. And there you have it. Sending emails in MailerLite is that simple. With a bit of practice, this process will become second nature, allowing you to focus more on the creative aspects of your campaigns. We hope this tutorial makes your email marketing endeavors smoother and more successful. Thanks for tuning in.